So, on the eve of independence, I want you to learn from our forefathers, the great leaders who have struggled to achieve independence for us that we are enjoying now. It took them almost 200 years, and throughout the journey, you'll be reading in your modern history that we had different strategies. Initially, moderates were there, next, we have extremists, and after that, Gandhian phase was there. So, every time they fail, they will reinvent the strategy how to achieve independence. We are not having the resources in comparison to that of mighty British Empire, but in spite of that, we could achieve independence because of the efforts of our forefathers and the great leaders that we had at that time and the people of the country. What you should learn from that event or from those efforts? Success is not one day event or one day effort. You need to plan, you need to strategize, and you need to execute that. Even if you fail, you should not get disheartened. You need to learn from the failure and you need to strategize in a better way how to succeed in the exam.
Millions of people proclaimed India with a diversified economy, with one nation, one dream and an independent India.
ఈ స్వతంత్రం అనేది ఏదో ఆడుతూ పాడుతూ వచ్చింది కాదు. ఎంతో మంది మహనీయులు కష్టపడి వాళ్ళ రక్తాలను చిందిస్తే వచ్చిన స్వతంత్రం. సో మన ఫోర్ ఫాదర్స్ ఆఫ్ ద కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ మనకు ఆర్టికల్ 19 ఇచ్చింది, ద ఫ్రీడమ్. అది మరి ఖచ్చితంగా దాన్ని యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకొని ఫ్రీడమ్ని, ఇండిపెండెన్స్ని ఫ్యూచర్లో బాగుపడతారని అందరికీ హ్యాపీ ఇండిపెండెన్స్ డే.
Our present says our courage and our future says dream bigger. Let's dream for Atmanirbhar Bharat and Vikasit Bharat. Everybody say Vande Mataram. Jai Hind.
ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ. ಅಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜ್ಞಾನವಂತರಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಇರಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು, ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರೋದು, ಅದು ಯಾವುದು? ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್.
So one message to all, as Mahatma Gandhi said, we have to live as if we are going to die tomorrow, and we have to learn as if we are going to live forever. This is something you all as students can do, because you are the ones who are going to define the future of our country. And this independence that we have today, make use of it and build this country in your own hands. And that comes from the hard work that you put into this exam, and show your hard work so that you can serve this country better. Wish you all the best, everyone, and thank you.
దేశం అంటే మట్టి కాదు, దేశం అంటే మనుషులు అనే బాటల్ని మీరు ఆదర్శంగా తీసుకుంటూ మనమందరం మన దేశ ప్రగతికి, అభివృద్ధికి కృషి చేద్దామని ఆశిస్తూ జై హింద్.
Let us be the change that we wanted around us, because it is the strong individuals who together build strong societies, and strong societies together build a strong nation. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Once again, wish you all a very happy Independence Day. So this is a gift that we have received from our founding fathers and mothers, right? If we have done the same thing in 1940s, probably we would have been arrested, thrown into the jail, beaten black and blue, right? So to even do a very simple thing like hoisting a flag, right? We had to fight. That was the struggle that we had to go through as a country, right? Then after receiving this freedom, what did we do? Everybody talks about freedom, but we should also talk about our duties, because as a responsible citizen, okay, you have to make the country better. No country is born better. We have to make it better. Every single day is a struggle, right? It's a journey, not a destination. Very important person, that is Mahatma Gandhi, and he made a very important point: to wipe every tear from every eye. So when you become an officer, your job is just the beginning, right? I hope you will remember that point very importantly, that to wipe every tear from every eye is the true freedom. Till then, every single day we are still struggling. Yes, please remember that and work very hard, and I wish you all the very best. Thank you for this opportunity.
ఒక చిన్న సంఘటన. అలెగ్జాండర్ మన దేశానికి దండయాత్రకు వచ్చే టైంలో తన గురువు అయిన అరిస్టాటిల్కి చెప్తున్నాడు అన్నమాట, ఇలా భారతదేశం మీద దండయాత్రకు వెళ్తుందని గురువు గారు, నువ్వు ఏ దేశం మీదకి దండయాత్రకు వెళ్ళినా పర్లేదు, కానీ ఆ దేశం మీదకి కానీ వెళ్ళినట్లయితే ఇబ్బంది పడతామని చెప్తాడు. కానీ వినకుండా వచ్చే టైంలో ఒకవేళ నువ్వు తిరిగి వచ్చినట్లయితే ఆ దేశం నుంచి మట్టిని తీసుకురమ్మని కోరతాడు. అంటే ఆ మట్టి అంటే జస్ట్ మట్టి కాదండి, ఆ మట్టిలో అంటే మన భారతదేశం యొక్క మట్టిలో ఎందరో మహానుభావులు జన్మించి మనకి స్వాతంత్రం అందించారని విషయాన్ని గొప్పతనం, అంత గొప్పతనం అనేది మన మట్టిలో దాగి ఉంది.
As today our tricolor proudly flutters in the sky, we were reminded that the freedom attained was neither accidental
nor it was through easy going, but it was attained through sacrifice, courage, and unshaken resolve.